Sprinkler pipe heat trace using self-regulating heat trace cable for freeze protection, 5 watt per foot for 6-inch pipes. Get some 1/2 inch, 1 inch. Goes into this side, up using scaffolding, down, goes to a cooling tower. You can see the 2 runs on the pipe. Then you get the 4-inch drain, 3-inch ABS. That gets 2 runs as well because of the routing. Using the fiberglass tape. It's very good tape. Contact Canstal for that tape. Good pricing, good quality, available in stock. This project in Toronto, Markham, Canada. It's retail and residential building. It's a nice, beautiful building. Once again, it's done by Canstal Heat Trace Solutions, designed, supplied, and installed. Sprinkler, pipe, heat trace. Visit our website, www.canstal.com. See you in the next video.